give you salmonella. I've used jet engines. So we fire them up.
Jet engines?
Jet engines, 2 of them. So I'll turn them on here.
But these were tiddlers compared to the engine that would cook the meat on the rotisserie.
It's actually a V1, so I'm just going to...
What, from a doodlebug?
Yes, it's a doodlebug engine. Here we go. It is a bit more temperamental than coal, but when it works, boy, does it work.
And you turn that, then?
It will start turning. You have to get it up to speed. It turns the fan around, which... There you go.
Oh, that's quite good,
genius.
actually.
There you go. Look at that. Yeah, it's not...
Yeah, that's cooked.
It needs some adjustment. Hang on, let me just... there you go.
Oh, man.
I didn't have it set right. That's actually better. See, now that's going to grill it properly. You'll get some proper blackening of the chicken. That's
hot, actually.
hang on.
No,
no, you utter pillock. No, let me do it.
I'm going to do it.
I'm sorry,
sorry.
Oh, you've frozen my ghoulies!
I'm sorry,
Give it to me. Give it to me.
It went the wrong way.
Let me do it. Let me do it. You're...
Red Grave is coming up the drive.
What?
Red Grave is coming up the drive.
Right.
Just Steve Red Grave, show me the drive.
I
Right.
was just about ready.
Where do we hide?
Oh, no, behind a tree.
They
my
always hide
shed.
in ground force. Why don't we tell him his wife did this and then we've been called in?
Yeah, to put it right.
To put it right.
We're just about to start.
It's coming. Oh,
Okay.
God. How do you think he'll react?
I don't know, seriously.
He's here. You go, James, go on up for the drink.
James, go on for the drink.
What does he look like?
Where's the drink? Have you got the drink ready?
I've got my
Good.
drink, yes.
Don't hide behind
Well,
me.
I can hide behind anything. Right, look happy, just look happy.
Just please, like, we're pleased. We're pleased about it.
If we carry this through by just happiness.
I've never been so nervous in my life.
No, I'm scared.
I'm terrified now. It's a big bloke.
It's not the size, it's just the range.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
This is Steve Redgrave. I'm
Redgrave.
Jeremy Clarkson.
I know you are. With
It's what? Sport Relief. I know you think we're from... It's confused. You're confused, I would imagine, because we're from Top Gear, and we thought we'd come and do...
Top Gear, ground
force
garden.
and make your garden, improve it, but we haven't quite finished.